All right, today I want to talk about the Readylift SST 2.0 kit on Chevrolet Trail Boss. That way you can fit the biggest tires on the factory rims, which I've went with Recon Grapplers, and it is 285/75 R18. I do have minor rubbing up front when I'm full lock. I did go with the 3-inch in the back block. To me, it just looks lifted instead of leveled. If you don't put the block in the back, it just looks leveled. Angles look okay. Here's where it is from the front, what it looks like from the front. But yeah, it definitely raised it up. This is what Chevy should do from factory. Here's a back view. It's almost flush with the body line. Definitely a better stance.